In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an IDM extension to Microsoft Edge. First, make sure you already have Internet Download Manager, or IDM, installed on your computer. The browser extension only works properly if the main IDM application is installed and running in the background. If you're not sure, look for the IDM icon on your desktop or in your Start menu, and open it once before you continue. Now, let's move over to Microsoft Edge. Open Edge like you normally would. At the top right corner of the browser window, you'll see a small puzzle piece or an icon that represents extensions, depending on your version of Edge. Click that, and then choose the option that says something like Manage Extensions or Open Extensions. This will take you to the Extensions page, where you can see everything that's currently enabled in your browser. On this Extensions page, look for the Microsoft Edge Add-ons store. If you don't see it immediately, there's usually a link or a button that says Open Microsoft Edge Add-ons or Get Extensions from Microsoft Store. Click that, and it will open a new tab with the official add-on store for Edge. In the add-on store, go to the search bar at the top and type IDM Integration Module. This is the official extension that connects your browser with Internet Download Manager. When the search results appear, find the IDM extension. Then click on it to open the details page. Here, you'll see an overview, permissions, and user reviews. Next, click the button that says Get or Add to Edge. Edge will ask you to confirm that you want to add this extension and will show you the permissions it needs, like access to the sites you visit. Read through these if you like, then click Add Extension to confirm. Once it's installed, you should see a small IDM icon appear near the address bar. If you don't see it right away, click the Extensions puzzle icon again and pin the IDM integration module so it's always visible. Also, make sure the toggle next to the extension is turned on in the Extensions page, indicating that it's enabled. At this point, IDM should be integrated with Edge. To test it, visit any page with a downloadable file or a video. You should notice IDM showing a small download panel or automatically catching download links. If it doesn't, restart Edge, and, if needed, restart IDM as well. That's all you need to add the IDM extension to Microsoft Edge and start managing your downloads more efficiently.